folks, today we're going to talk about backup with compression. I think we can agree that fast backups and therefore faster restores when you need them, that's a good thing. Well, the network is usually the slowest piece of technology in your environment. It's going to be slower than memory, slower than disk, slower than everything. So we want to minimize network use when we're backing up. And how do we do that? We do that by making the files smaller, by compressing our backups. It's fairly easy if you're doing just the straight backup syntax to use compression. It's just your normal backup statement and then with compression. That's all you have to do. Backup compression is supported. Let's take a look at the article that I wrote. It's okay, I'm going to give you the link to this. It's somewhere in here, I swear. I can spell supported. There we go. Supported on Enterprise Standard and Developer from 2008 on up. So there's not a lot of reason not to do this. If you're using Minion Backup, by the way, the ability to turn on compression is very, very simple. In your backup tuning thresholds table, there is a compression column. You just need to set compression equal to 1. We like to make things easy with Minion Backup. So yeah, for more information about compressed backups, go ahead and take a look at minionware.net/fast-backups. It's got a couple of small caveats when it comes to backup compression, but by and large, yeah, compressing your backups is absolutely the way to go.